gleiche Rechte von Frauen und Männern in Iran.
Jeder, der seine freie Meinung äußert, muss im Iran Sorge haben, gefangen genommen zu werden oder Schlimmeres. In Deutschland, wer in Deutschland lebt, weiß, was es bedeutet, wenn die Menschenrechte im Grundgesetz verankert sind. Das würden wir uns für den Iran auch wünschen. Wir sind alle Menschen. Warum soll es Unterschiede geben, ob Mann oder Frau? Egal, was man denkt, das ist Privatsache. Solange man anderen nicht schadet, sollte doch jeder seine Meinung äußern dürfen.
Menschenrechte sind keine abstrakten Gesetzestexte aus Büchern. Für gleiche Rechte von ethnischen, religiösen Minderheiten. Für die Freiheit aller Gewissensgefangenen in Iran. Für die Abschaffung der Todesstrafe in Iran.
To really think about all the inequality and misery happening every day on our beautiful planet Earth might leave most of us depressed or with a feeling of powerlessness.
We tend to fall into an attitude of blocking out certain realities
and protecting ourselves by ignoring situations.
And just accepting the belief that we have no means to make a difference.
That we are not able to have a positive impact on certain conditions.
because they seem too big for us
or too far away.
What a misbelief. Each and every one of us can make a difference.
And the only things we need to do so are our thoughts.
And the willpower to improve current states of affairs.
It's only logical that understanding how and why things are happening the way they are
will keep them from happening again and again.
Being aware of the privilege that we are born with and the freedom that we are granted just because we are born into a certain country and society
belongs to our responsibility as part of the human race
and the world we live of every day.
Becoming conscious about our situation and our privileges will affect the way we reflect on our own lives, our society,
and will help us to understand how things are connected,
how situations emerge,
and most of all, how our own thoughts, words, and actions
have an immense impact on the development of our planet and its beings.
Let's raise awareness within ourselves and the ones surrounding us.
Because acknowledgement is necessary for change to finally begin.